Hi guys, good morning everyone. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Oh, very tapang. Alisin ko na to guys kasi matapang. Sobrang tapang. Manggukod na na guys kay tapang. Let's eat breakfast guys, hash brown. Hash brown and of course avocado. The good thing the avocado guys is very good. Sometimes the avocado is is bad. If you open inside is bad. But this time is good. Let's eat guys. Our breakfast today has brown. Let's eat guys. Hi guys, happy Valentine's sa Pilipinas. Tomorrow pa ang Valentine's dito guys sa US. Today is 13 pa. In the Philippines, I still 13 pala in the Philippines today. 13 night. Let's eat guys. Our lunch so yummy. Rice and shrimp and okra. Let's eat guys. Kinamot talaga. Yummy guys. Chilly today guys. The weather is chilly. Today is the weather is nice. Let's eat guys. Good. Masarap. Let's take care. Yum. Wala ng ulo yung ano guys. Yung shrimp. Happy Valentine's everyone. Still chilly. Going to Home Depot. Home Depot. From Home Depot guys. 3 minutes walk. Going to Walmart. Very close. Over here?
And I was excited that they opened.
Yeah.
It's closed already.
Some store is closed. Over here, oh, because that very clear shortcut. Still the grass is careful. Right there, guys. Walmart. Walking. Weather now is not bad if not windy, but sometimes it's windy man. So that's why chilly. Very sunny. Inlet Square right there. Still from Woodlawn. Yeah, right there, Walmart. That's the Walmart. Right there. Tropical. Walmart na right there. Lot of store over there. AT&T. Right there, Walmart. Hi guys! Unboxing guys from Walmart. We went to Walmart today guys. And I show you guys what I got. This one French fries guys. French fries. The next one. This one guys, strawberry. This strawberry is like $2.
Yeah, less than $3.
Less than $2 guys. Very cheap guys. Same package in the Philippines. In the Philippines, this costs 450. Right? Yeah, 450 guys. Here in the US is only 100 pesos. Because $2. $2 here in the US. In the Philippines, costs $8. Very expensive guys in supermarket in Mall of Asia. This one banana guys. garlic, sweet potato, and this one guys. Uh, tomatoes, plantain, ibutis mango, Iban mango. Coating ako guys kasi chili outside. So that's why I'm coating. Dressing salad. Mayonnaise. Tuna. Mountain Dew. Continue unboxing guys. Noodles. Usually we eat noodles guys or canton once a week. I think it's not bad. Once a week. Not every day. Because that is bad. And this one, my husband coffee. And Bina fingers. Cookies guys. This is very good guys. Very yummy. I like this. And the pie guys. I like pecan pie. My husband choose. And this is orange. Lemon. Lemon pie. And gravy. Chicken gravy. And try this the Kinder's taco seasoning. Yeah. And that's it guys. And how much everything? $50 guys. 50. 51. It's very sunny today guys. Sunny, sunny. Sunny, sunny but chilly. Windy. It's windy, windy. Look at the tree guys. The tree is no more leaves. No leaves. I think next month the weather is good na. Hindi good na guys next month. But so far is still chilly guys. Even very sunny, you need to wear jacket. Lot of house for sale here. Some is tear down if the house is very old na. You need to tear down. I thought the house right there is already sold out, but still not sold out. Okay? Lot of house here for sale. Not sold out because of the rent. The rent of the land going up. Windy. Very windy guys. So that's why chilly because of windy. Index factor. Thank you for watching guys and see you to our next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.